Good morning, students. I am Manish Pandey from LPM Public School. Now, I am going to teach you 8th chapter of class 6, and that is adjectives. Actually, this is my second video on this chapter. In my first video, I told you about definition of adjectives and some kinds of adjectives. So, actually, an adjective of number, okay, state how many person or things are meant, or in what order a person or thing stands. Okay, now we will read some points about adjective of number. Adjectives that state the exact number of the noun are called cardinals. Okay, this means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, they are cardinals. Okay, those which show in what order things stand are called ordinals. Okay, ordinals means first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. They are ordinals. Okay, all, many, few, and some are also adjectives of numbers, but they do not indicate the exact number. Look at these sentences. All men are mortal. Okay, several men came. So all men are mortal. Men are countable, so we can use all. Men also are countable, then we can use several. The adjectives such as many, each, every, either, and neither are used when the persons or thing are taken one at a time. Okay, it means there are 10 total 10 person out there, so for those 10 person we can use each. Okay? And if 100 people are out there, we can give them a new name, and that will be every. Okay, every person must join the chorus. Okay, do not get confused between adjectives of quantity and adjectives of number. Okay, don't get confused. An adjective used with an uncountable noun is an adjective of quantity, and an adjective used with a countable noun. Actually, adjective is number is used with a countable nouns, and adjective of quantity is used with a uncountable nouns. Okay, now look at the examples given here. We have sufficient flow. Flow means we cannot count floor, 1 floor, 2 floor, 3 floor, 5 floor, 4 floor, 5 floor. So this will be of adjective of quantity. But in second example, we have sufficient pens. We can count pen like 1 pen, 2 pen, 3 pen, 4 pen, 5 pen. So this will be an adjective of number. Okay. Now read these sentences. This child has fallen ill. These mangoes are ripe. Now this child, before child we used this, and before mangoes we used these. These are referring to a plural noun, and this is referring to a singular noun. Okay, so the word this and these point to nouns. Okay, a demonstrative adjective indicates which person or thing is meant. Okay, so a demonstrative adjective tells us which person or thing we are talking about. Okay, now you should not confuse demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative pronouns. Okay, let me tell you very clearly how can we identify that this is a demonstrative adjective or this is demonstrative pronoun. They are identical. Actually, they are identical, but they are same. But demonstrative pronouns stand alone, while a demonstrative adjective is followed by a noun. For example, this smells. Okay, it smells. Sorry, sorry. That smells. Okay, so no noun is there. Smells is a verb. In second example, that book is good. That book is good. In second example, book is noun, and before noun that is used. So second sentence is demonstrative adjective, and first sentence is demonstrative pronoun. Okay, now We have to do exercise number B. Underline the adjectives in these sentences. State whether they are adjectives of quantity, quality, number, or whether they are demonstrative. Also indicate the noun which they describe. Okay. The climbers did not eat any meals. Did not eat any meals. Actually, in this sentence, any is a adjective of quantity, and this word any is modifying, adding something to the meaning of meals. Okay, so this is adjective and used before a noun, and adjective of quantity, because meals we cannot count meals. Okay, we cannot count meals, 1 meal, 2 meal, 3 meal, 4 meal. So that is why any is used here, and any is adjective of quantity. There is a cold wind blowing. Cold wind. Wind is a noun, and before wind we used cold. So cold is a adjective of quality. Okay, and wind is noun. This cold is adding something to the meaning of wind. Dark clouds. Again, before clouds are a noun, and before cloud dark is used. So dark is the adjective, and this is adding something to the meaning of clouds, and the adjective of quality. Either book. Either book means it is showing quantity. Okay, one of two books. So it is showing quantity, and it will be adjective of quantity, and it is adding to the meaning of books. These acts, these means demonstrative adjective, and adding something to the meaning of acts. Okay, I have a few friends. We can count friends. So this will be a few is a adjective of number. Okay. He made several mistakes. Mistakes, we can count mistakes. Yes, we can count. So several is a adjective of number. Three boys. Three boys, we can count boys. 1, 2, 3. Yes, we can count. Then this will be adjective of number, and it is adding something to the meaning of boys. Narrow land. Narrow is adjective of quality, and it is adding something to the meaning of lane. Okay. Now, Sukhvinder scored the third goal. Goal is a noun, and before noun third is used of the match. So it will be adjective of number. The talkative girl. Talkative is an adjective, and girl is a noun. So this word is adding something to the meaning of girl. So this is an adjective of quality. Long argument. Argument is a noun, and before argument long is used. So this is adjective of quality. I have enough rations to last 2 months. Enough is a adjective of quantity, and ration is a noun, and here 2 adjective of number, and months is a noun. Now the Chinese language. Chinese is adjective, language is a noun, it is adding something to the meaning of language. Is not easy. Now easy is also noun, adjective, and it is adding something to the meaning of Chinese language. Okay. Every word. Every is a noun. Word is a noun, and every is a adjective of number. This article. This is demonstrative adjective, and this is noun. This is demonstrative adjective. Information is a noun. Okay. Loyal. Loyal is a adjective of quality, and supporters are noun. The lonely lady. Lonely is a noun, lady is lonely is adjective, and lady is noun. So this word lonely adding something to the meaning of lady. Use mansion. Okay, use is an adjective, and mansion is a noun. So this word is adding something to the meaning of mansion. By the side of a dry lake. Lake is a noun, and dry. Dry is a adjective of quality. Okay. Now, had not received much rain. Rain is a noun, and much is adjective of quantity. Okay, that year. So my dear students, in this way we are able to solve all the exercises based on this chapter. So I tried my best to make you understand. If you have any specific query based on this chapter, you can make comment on my video. I will see your comments and I will give you solution. Thank you very much.